Right now, people across the world are making money simply by speaking English on video calls. Not writing, not coding, just talking, guiding, and helping students improve their English skill. And here's the interesting part. You don't need to be a teacher. In fact, you don't need to have an English degree. All you need to understand is how the system works, because teaching English online is not about being perfect. It's all about helping someone else communicate better than they could yesterday. And that's why in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the exact way this actually works, step by step. When someone actually books you as an English tutor, they're usually not looking for grammar experts. Most students are beginners who want to speak confidently, professionals improving communication, and then children just trying to learn basic English. So your job is actually very simple. You talk to them, correct mistakes gently, and then you help them practice English speaking. You're not lecturing like school teachers, you're having conversations that improve their confidence, and that's why this job works even for beginners. And the number one platform that actually pays you for teaching English online is Cambly. Cambly is actually one of the easiest platforms to start with, and basically all you're doing here is to head to the site Cambly.com, you sign up, and once you get approved, you can start connecting with students. No interviews, no teaching degrees, no stress. Students randomly connect with you or simply book you. You actually get paid per minute you speak. So if you actually talk for about 30 minutes, you're already earning. The key here is being friendly and conversational, not formal. And then the second platform in today's list is Reply. This is actually another awesome platform that actually pays you to teach English. It works just like a marketplace. You set your own hourly price. So instead of you waiting for fixed pay, you simply say, I charge $10 to about $20 per hour for English conversations practice, and then students can actually choose you based on your profile, your introduction video, or your reviews. This simply means that your profile is actually your real job interview. And the final platform in today's list is Italki. Italki is more professional and actually pays higher compared to other platforms I made mention of in this video, and the reason is simply because students here are serious learners. Some are actually preparing for exams or in fact job interviews, so they actually pay higher. But then the expectations here are quite higher because you have to be consistent and even way structured. Now, how exactly do you even get your first student? Most beginners think all they're going to do is to just sign up and then students start to show up automatically. No, that's not how it works. You need visibility. Here's actually how to bring students. You need to have your own simple introduction video, a friendly profile picture, a clear and straight to the point description. More like I help beginners speak English confidently, not something too complicated. And also, you need to be very active on this platforms. The more active you are, the more you're shown to students. Teaching English online is one of the simplest ways to earn in dollars if you understand that you're not selling teaching, but then you're selling communication practice. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to combine multiple online income methods and how to also turn them into daily earning systems from your mobile device. So make sure to subscribe, drop a like in this video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members out there. And I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching.